Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today we are going to make some black bean sauce. So I have 2 cans of black beans. Black beans are healthy, yes. And we have some tomato, green onion, garlic, and red onion. So all this is going in the blender, and we are going to make a paste, or you can call it seasoning, and that's what I'm going to use for the base for beans. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so in the blender here we have one medium red onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, one medium-sized tomato, and a bunch of green onions. And I'm going to add some oil to it because I don't want to make the base in the water. Okay, so we are going to grind that. Okay, let's do this on high. Okay, it's all coated. Alright, so I'm using half of that paste for 2 cans, 2 medium-sized cans of black beans. I'm going to add the spices to this paste once it start cooking for like 10 minutes. Let me see, 8 to 10 minutes, then I'll add the spices. Speaking of spices, I have Ajwain Seeds, that's 1/4 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons full of chicken consomme, and it's salty, so I'm not going to add any extra salt to that. Alright, so let's move that away. Here we are. Once it starts turning brown, that means we are on the right track. I don't want to put the flame too high because I do not want to burn my base or seasoning or whatever you guys call it. So this is going to be the base for my beans. And for those beans, I'm not going to throw away the water. All beans, including the water in the cans, because it's very thick and it's very okay. The seasoning is getting there. It's getting brown. It's getting a little bit sticky on the bottom. Now I'm going to add everything to it. I'm going to continue browning this spice mix on medium to low because we don't want to burn anything. Also going in is a cut up habanero pepper. I will cut it into small pieces, but this pepper is going to give a lot of flavor to that black bean sauce that I'm making. You can choose another one if you like, but that's the one that goes with black beans. Alright, now you can see this is ready for the beans. Now we are going to add the beans to this. Everything in. Mix, mix, mix. And now we are going to let it cook for a good 10 minutes. And and then I will return to show you what to do next. And in every recipe, always make sure you add the salt according to your diet needs. Less, more, is always depend on the person who's going to eat. The beans are cooking, so that's going to be very delicious. I'm going to serve it over brown rice, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Click the little red bell button and leave me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Adding a cup of water, or a little bit more if you like it. If you want to make it thick sauce, don't put too much, but if you want to make it a little bit loose, then you can add a little more, like 1.5 cup. When it's simmering like that and there's something that needs to be taken off, just skim it with a spoon and just take whatever is not needed. The foams are okay. Now what I'm going to do is, with the back of a glass, I'm going to smash the beans down to make a thicker sauce. This black bean sauce is very, very delicious with rice. See that? I don't smash all of them, but you know, just enough to make a nice thick sauce. Sauce is coming out nice and thick. You can see it's turning into a rich, nice, thick, dark sauce. And again, if you don't like too much heat, use the peppers that you like. If you don't have chicken consomme, use the Megi cube or whatever you are used to. So I always give you the basic recipe and then you go with it and you modify it the way you like it. Okay, at this point, when the sauce is thick, you can add fresh cilantro before you finish it. Mix good. Check the thickness of your sauce. If you are serving rice, goes perfectly fine over it. It's very delicious. You can also have a side of fish and chicken. There you go. That's my black sauce. Bismillah, it's time to eat. Let me serve some of my black bean sauce over brown rice. There you go. Yum. Super delicious. Please make it and try and let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.